How to detect people with your iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Magnifier application on your iPhone. Once you're in the app, tap the settings icon in the bottom right corner. This opens the settings menu where you can customize the app's controls. Tap on the detect option, which is currently hidden. On the detect settings page, tap the toggle switch next to show in control panel at the very top to turn it on. This adds the detection feature to your main control panel for easy access. Go back to the previous screen and tap the checkmark to save your changes. Back on the main screen, a new detect icon will now be visible in the control bar. Tap this icon to activate detection mode, which uses your camera to audibly describe your surroundings. Following these steps, you can easily detect people with your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.